inches. So let's see how these boys getting up.
Seriously, 10 feet 3 inches.
Yeah, 10 feet 3. Y'all gotta get up.
That's too, wow. Hey, that's 10 feet.
Huh? Yeah. Come on, get up. Nice.
Wow.
Get up. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Let's go. All right, 4 in a row. Come on, Harvey. Come on, Harvey. Get up. Let's go, Jarrell. Bring us back, baby. Bring us back. There it is. Come on. Let's go. Come on, hit that net, boy.
Wow.
That net.
I'm jumping wrong.
Couple more. Get up. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Get up. Go, Richard. Get up. Nice. Come on. Come on, big man. Get up. Next. Let's go. Slide that backboard. Come on, Jarrell. Get off the vert. Get up. Nice. Come on, Hob.
I see you.
Oh.
Hey, I'm gonna jump like Larry Bird.
Short. All right, last attempt by everybody. Going on Facebook. Last attempt. Last attempt. Facebook. Get up. Go. Last attempt. Get up. Nice. Put his elbow in the rim. Get up. Slide that backboard.
Finally.
Get up, Jarrell. He crossed himself. Hold on. Get up. Get up. Richard, throw it up. Get up.
All right, I'm done, right?
Yep, you're done. I'll take it. You want to put it on YouTube right away?